Waiter, please come with my bill. After a short interval of time, another suited booted person came with a bill book having slip inside. I just reviewed and gave him our biggest currency note, rupees 5,000. When the gentleman came back to give me change with the payment slip, there was a complete variety of Pakistan's each currency note. Now it was over to me that what I give him for TIP. I took all cash by leaving rupees 40. He accepted with an artificial smile gesture and said, "Thank you very much, sir." My wife looked at me and whispered, "You should have to give him at least rupees 100. I stared her and said, "Oh, come on, yaar, let's move. I have to give at more 2 places, the TIPs. First, to the Tom janitor, Kodu, weared a long kulla with big moustache, weared ethnic wear with waistcoat, who stood at the entrance gate and opened the door for us. And second, the old age security guard who guided to park my car and opened the car doors for me. The contest chair, fellow Toastmasters, honorable judges and guests. We all over here have been faced such kind of situations in our life and are affected by this tipping culture. The word TIPs or tips come from an acronym meant to improve prompt services or to improve personalized service. Actually, it is a specific range of monetary amount which we all have to give in the restaurants, hotels, etc. for the servers. I heard that word first time in my life in the 90s of PTV drama series Guest House of Rambo John Rambo. Do you remember? Tip tip karta main kamre mein aata hoon, tip tip karta. This specific dialogue was delivered by its character Murad in almost every episode. TIPs. If I ask you a question that why we give tip, there will be so many answers like it's the matter of social custom and etiquette, it's customary as a sign of appreciation, and it is the way to express our gratitude for the servers for good service, and etc. etc. And you will be surprised to know that tipping is a matter of research in worldwide. Although a foreign researcher identified 5 motivations for tipping, showing off for improved future service, and to supplement the server's income and make them happy, to avoid the disapproval from the server and a sense of duty. In many countries like Australia, Italy, Japan, tipping is discouraged. Even Japanese people see tipping as insulting. The service there is found to be as good as found in USA, where tipping is considered as normal. Now, let's come to our beloved country, Pakistan. Here, tipping is considered as normal, as social custom, and we all are affected by this tipping culture. Are you familiar with the roll paratha shops in Liberty Market and Faluda shops in Old Anarkali? The service boys there are not permanent or daily wages employee. Those are working on sale-based commission with the supplement of TIPs from the customers. Basically, it's a substitute for the employers paying a normal basic wage and topping up with the TIPs from the customer. In another scene, to see at first look of your newly born baby in the hospital, you have to break the strong barrier of Aya, the attendant of the nursery room, And God forbid, if you faced the C-section case, then while you are staying in the hospital, you have to give to all servicing staff of evening, night shift, evening, night, morning shifts. And not by the father only, rather grandfather, grandmother, chachu, mamu, hala, phupho, every blood relation is affected by this tipping culture. Although you can see at many places in the hospital in writing, to give bakshish to any staff is strictly prohibited, but who bother? Fellow Toastmasters and guests, now two questions arise. Who the actually deserve TIP and who is suffering from this tipping culture? You can see the old men as security guards retired from the army, standing on the gates of restaurants, hotels, shopping malls, bakery shops, who open the door for you with paying salam. Please never ignore those needy senior citizens. If we are supposed to give TIPs for with any specific or without specific reason, then please never ignore those needy people. We all are mediocres, affected by this tipping culture. But some people show reluctant behavior against tipping because of an extra burden after paying different kind of taxes for any service or facility. If we are supposed to give TIPs to the servers, then you should not be reluctant by this. If they think it as meaningless, they should pass their life as simplest as passed by their elders and forefathers. What? Just without hoteling? Eat home, make home. But can we do this? No, in fact no. Because we are Pakistanis, and especially Lahore is there, already famous due to two different reasons. One, always guide the wrong way to the stranger. And second one, sorry to say, foodies. And even did not exempt to the miserable donkey.